Hello.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Can see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, this complex numbers playlist. Did you watch?
Sir, I watched quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation playlist I gave. Okay. What about complex numbers?
Sir, not now.
Okay. Allen sheet.
Sir, I read. Allen sheet I read.
Okay, but what about exercise in that?
First two, three.
Okay, so let's do this one. Complex numbers. Try this question.
Okay. Sir, is the answer 3?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
How did you do it?
Sir, the same way you did this. Same way.
Right. Just copy this question. Copy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try. Got it?
No, sir.
See, mod of W is given as 1, right? So you can take mod on both the sides of this one. So that will give
Okay.
mod of Z equal to mod of Z minus I by 3. It's very trivial, I think. And then use say put Z equal to X plus I1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Straight line.
What is the equation of the line?
Minus 2y, 2 by 3y plus 1 by 9.
1 by 6 or 1 by 9?
Sir, by 1 by 9.
Okay, what I did is correct. Mod Z is equal to mod of Z minus I by 3, right?
Yeah.
Z equal to X plus I by. So the left hand side is X square plus Y square. I can square both the sides. I can also square it, no? So that will become X square plus Y square left hand side. And right hand side is X square plus Y minus I by 1 by 3 square. Right?
Yes, sir.
So from that I will get Y equal to plus or minus. So if you take the minus sign, I'll get 2Y equal to plus or minus. So Y is 1 by 6. Which question? 10. 10 is 4. Okay. Straight line is the answer. This how we did, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try this one.
Sir, in this also you have to take mod on both sides.
This also.
You have to take mod on both sides.
Or no, mod on right hand side is 2, right? There is no point in taking mod there. So you just have to simplify it. Put Z equal to X plus IY.
Okay.
Minimum maximum value. Okay, then maybe that's not required. Are you getting the idea?
Yes, sir. I'm doing this a second. So can you explain?
I'm trying to use a triangle property. Just a minute. Working right. Yes. Yeah, I made a mistake here. Okay. All right. Consider two complex numbers z and 4 by z. Okay. And this z minus 4 by z is also a complex number which will be joining complex number. I can represent like this vector, right? See, this is z1, this is z2, and this diagonal will be z2 minus z1. Is that right? And this diagonal will be
Yeah.
z1 plus z2. This will be z1 plus z2. So we have a triangle of z1, z2, and z2 minus z1. Okay. So I'm having triangle with these three. So in a triangle, the difference between two sides, a minus b, is less than or equal to c. Three sides of a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle property, triangle inequality. So we can use that here. So the two sides, the lengths will be mod of.
That's right, huh? Hello, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
A and B are lengths of the sides, right? So length of the side means I have to take the mod.
Okay.
Okay, just to be sure that it is the length. Is less than or equal to mod of z minus 4 by z. Okay, and this thing is being given as 2. What are the roots of this equation? B square minus 4ac. Okay, minus b is 2 plus or minus. Two times root 2, root 5 plus 1. divided by 2, right?
Uh,
So are you getting it?
yes, sir.
Okay, and mod z I'm representing as r. So this is a quadratic and it should be less than 0. So it will be like this, right? It's a U shape. So the maximum value of r for which negative is this value. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, this is a quadratic in r and it should be negative. Okay, so the values it can take is in between the roots, right?
Yeah.
So the maximum value of this is this higher root. This higher root I'll get by taking the positive sign.
Hmm.
So this combination of quadratic, triangle inequality, and then knowledge of the parabola or quadratic equation. Right. This one.
कौन दे दो yeah, Mike.
Okay.
Sir, is the answer 0?
0 is yes, one answer. Yeah, 0 is the answer. See, one thing is if you have a complex number z and I have another complex z naught, what does this thing represent? This is equal to what? Distance between z and z naught.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this mod, this complex number z is equal distance from -1, 1, and plus I. Okay. So do the xy plane. So this is 1, -1, and I. So this z is equal distance from all these 3 points. So then I have to draw a circle passing through 3 points. The center of the circle is equal distance from any point on the circumference of the circle and have 3 points and have to find a point which is equal distance from these 3 points. That will be this point. Okay, so this is z, right? So it's the origin. Origin is 2. Ah, I think
Prince.
the 0, 0 is the answer. Okay, okay. What you have to find is z minus this thing, not z. So z is 0. So what is it? Mod of z minus 1 is 1, right? What you have to find is that mod of not z. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
You have to find mod of z minus 1 or mod of z plus 1 or mod of z minus 1. Right? So read the question carefully. This one, Got the answer?
No, sir.
Okay, beta is real. No? So this imaginary part. Got it?
Um, yes, sir.
He's saying the roots are this real line, right? Z equal to 1, real of Z equal to 1. So then the roots are 1 plus I by 1 and 1 plus I by 2. That is the concept of roots. Because the real part of the roots is 1. Okay.
Yeah.
In general, you can take roots as x1 plus I by 1 and x2 plus I by 2. And he has given that the real part of the roots is 1. So I just put 1 for the real part. So these are the two roots. And then, right. And then sum of the roots is minus alpha. Product of the root is beta. Okay. So from this, you get, if you use this one for Z1, Z2, you get these two relations. And alpha and beta are real, right? So this imaginary part should be 0. Okay, so from this you get y2 as minus y1, and beta when this thing becomes 0 is 1 plus y1 square. Okay, so this is greater than 1 and could be less than infinity. That is the range of beta. Okay. Okay, try this one. This is advanced 2015. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Option A.
Yeah.
So how do you do it?
So Z1 minus 2Z2 is equal to 2 minus Z1 Z2.
Okay. And then? And then how did you do it? Your mic is off. Your mic is off. Yeah, how did you do it? Tell me. Your mic is not working. Right. Yeah, tell me how you did it. You just guessed it or you got the answer?
Sir, I guessed.
Ah. Okay, that you should have told me, no? Okay, mod of Z2 is this thing. Suppose I take Z1 as R1. Shit, making mistake. Oh yeah. Okay, if a complex number okay, the mod of the complex number I can write as Z into Z1 bar. Okay, if two complex numbers, the mods are equal, then the square is also equal, right? Okay, and square of mod is Z into Z conjugate. Because this is say R1 square, and this is R1 into E is by I theta, and this is R1 into E is by minus I theta. So that is same as R1 square. Z2 into Z2 bar. So let me use that thing here. So I'll get Z1 minus 2 Z2 into the conjugate of it. That is, you proceed with this method, you should get the answer equal to 2 minus Z1 Z2 bar into the conjugate of it. That is 2 minus Z1 bar Z2. Okay, now we simplify this one. So Z1 into Z1 bar